Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe Spit Barbecue. On today's video, we're going to be smoking up some chicken wings on my pit barrel cooker, but we're going to be using some mesquite chunks that have been infused in tequila. Stay tuned. You can see, look at this bark. It's crazy. Oh man, this is perfect. It helps to start with a nice sharp knife, okay? Oh my goodness. Look at that. All right, before we get started on the video, I want to show you the mesquite chunks that I'm going to be using. This is from a company called VIP Barrel. Kyle over there reached out to me and sent me a few bags of this stuff. This one is, oh man. This is a mesquite chunk that has been infused with tequila. This one is infused with reposado tequila. They also have a gold, an añejo, and a silver. So I got to tell you, it's a good chunk of mesquite. Okay, they're all about that size. And it smells like tequila. All right, so I've got about 30 chicken wings. Now, half of these, I'm gonna rub them down with the Our Butts Are Smokin' Honey Chipotle. Haven't tried this rub yet. Looking forward to that. I did taste that out of the bottle. It's pretty darn good. The second set of wings are gonna be rubbed down with this Cattleman's Grill Ranchero rub. I've used this stuff before and it's absolutely amazing. Let me show you how I do my chicken wings here. So I've got two plastic bags. These are the gallon size Ziploc bags. So I'm just going to put them in there. All right, so I've got these wings in the bag, and I'm going to use the Cattleman's Grill Ranchero rub for this bag. Just add enough of the rub. Okay, about that much. Leave some air in the bag. And shake them up. Okay, and you can see that probably need a little bit more rub. So we're going to add some more. About that much. Leave some air in the bag. That is perfect. Okay, let's get these other ones done. Got them in the bag, and again, these wings are going to get this Our Butts Are Smokin' Honey Chipotle. It's got a really good flavor. These wings are obviously going to be a little bit more red in color. About that much. Leave some air in the bag. Okay, these are ready to go. Let's go outside. Stay tuned. All right, we're outside at the pit barrel cooker, and I did add half a basket of Kingsford Blue Charcoal. And I already had about half a basket inside the pit barrel that was already some spent charcoal. So we're going to take the rods off. And we're going to add some of our VIP Barrel tequila infused mesquite. Probably, I don't know, I'm thinking I'm going to add 3 chunks in here. Just like that. Going to put our grate on. All right, so we got our grate on there. Time to add the chicken wings. What I like to do is just dump them in there on one side. This is the Ranchero chicken wings. And go ahead and spread them out. Now I did wash this grate, and one piece of advice that I'll give you guys is just apply a thin coat of oil. I use some olive oil on a paper towel just to keep your wings from sticking on the grate. Oh man, they're already smelling good. Just like that. Spread them out. There we go. These are the honey chipotle wings from Our Butts Are Smokin'. Look at that nice color. All right. We're going to spread these out as well. All right, I got the wing spread out on the pit barrel. Let's put the rods in. Again, these are part of the ventilation system. And I should be running about 275 with the rods in. I'm at 3,800 feet above sea level. And if I want to get it hotter, I can open up the intake and maybe take one of the rods out. But I want to get some good smoke on these wings first. So we'll see you guys in about 45 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so we're 45 minutes into the cook, and this is what the wings look like. Let's see if we need to flip them. Usually I don't have to flip them, but I think I am going to flip them all. Now to increase the temperature, because these are almost ready, I think another 20, maybe 30 minutes to get them nice and crispy. What I'm going to do to increase the temperature is leave both rods out, okay? And that's going to cause more airflow, more intake, and more exhaust, which is going to increase the temperature of the pit barrel. So we'll see you guys in about, we'll check in 20 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so our wings are ready, and the total cook time was an hour and a half. So it took another 45 minutes to get the wings nice and crispy, just how you see here. And I cannot wait to dig into these. Now, before we taste these, I'm going to show you how I make a ranch dipping sauce, a sriracha ranch dipping sauce. So just put a little bit of ranch in a small bowl. Add a little bit of sriracha, as much as you want, just like that. Give that a good mix. And I gotta tell you, you will never go back to plain ranch for your chicken wings. Stay tuned. All right, let's give these delicious crispy wings a taste. First off, I'm gonna try these with the Cattleman's Grill, the Ranchero rub, with no sauce, just the wing. Here we go. Good smoky flavor. Believe it or not, you can pick up a hint of tequila in there, okay? That is really good. These look absolutely amazing. This is that Our Butts Are Smoking Honey Chipotle wing. Look at that. There we go. I don't know. I'm liking both of them. Both have really, really good flavor. I'm gonna try some with this sauce. Actually, I'm gonna grab a fresh one and try some with this sauce that I mixed up here. Here we go. Wow. Gives it a good hint of spice. Perfect on this wing. Let's try this one here. Some of the sauce. There we go. I don't know. I honestly cannot pick a favorite. They're both absolutely delicious. That pit barrel, doesn't matter what I cook in it, the food comes out amazing. I hear there's a rumor that they're coming out with a full-size drum, possibly a 55-gallon drum. I can't wait for that. These rubs are fantastic. The sauce is fantastic. The wings are delicious, nice and crispy on the outside as well. If you like this chopping board, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can get a discount on one. They're not as expensive as you would think. Thanks again for watching. Till next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.